हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं सीए दुर्गेश पाल। आई एम द प्रैक्टिसिंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. आई एम here to explain you guys a new thing which is LOT, letter of undertaking. If you are an exporter or you want to be export without payment of IGST, so you have to be applied for letter of undertaking that is valid for the 1 year. Let's go to explain you detail what is the LOT and how you are able to file the LOT. Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel to get information related to income tax, GST, import or export, technical and non-technical, both information you will get. So please subscribe my channel to get update. Let's go. So guys, first of all, you have to be put on the URL link www.gst.gov.in and you will log in with your credential. After the login, you have to click your dashboard, and after dashboard you have to go for the service and you have to go for user services. Then you will find furnish the letter of undertaking, or you can also view the letter of undertaking you have already filed in earlier year, but now we are going to learning about the furnishing of new LOT. LOT does mean letter of undertaking that can help you people to export your goods or services without payment of IGST. Let's go have a look. After clicking on the furnishing of letter of undertaking for export of goods and services, both thing will cover here, export of good as well export of services. So let's go. First thing, in LOT you have to choose your financial year. Now I am going to choose 2021-22. Okay, fine. If you have any supporting document, you can choose your document and put on here. Supporting document, does it mean if you have a memorandum or the agreement with the third party or the overseas party, so you can use that document as a supporting, but it is not a mandatory document. You need not to be attach any document. If you want to attach, then you can attach. Okay, or any other thing like you have applied with the commissionerate of the GST for extra timing, that is the section 96A or subsection B or C, any kind of relaxation if you want from the document, you will get from the commissioner of GST. Will you allowed you people to relaxation of the rule 96A. We are going to definitely discuss the rule number 96A, that is very important. So guys, if you want to attach that document, so you can, otherwise you need not to be attached. I am going to explain your next page. Letter of undertaking for export of good or service without payment of IGST. You have to check your GST number. You have to check some declaration that is for the President of India, that will allow you with acting with the proper officer to export your goods or service without payment of IGST. So guys, first thing, if you are applied for the LOT, first rule you have to be understand or need to be understand, that is very important. First, rule number 96A, to export the goods or supplied without payment or integrated test within the time limit is specified in rule number 1 of rule 96A. That is, in the rule number 96A, government allow a assessee to export a goods or service within a 3 month from the date of issue of the invoice, or there is the grace period of 15 days after completing a 3 month from the date of invoice. So you have to be compliant, mandatory, you have to export within the 3 month with the 15 day of grace period from the end of the 3 month from the date of invoices. Second thing, your payment of the export shall be received within a 1 year of the time frame from the issue of the invoices. There is also a 15 days a grace period for completing of the 1 year. 15 days you can calculate it. Otherwise you have to be pay the entire amount of the taxation along with the 18% of interest. That is very important, you need to be concerned about it. Okay, next, you need to be a two name of witness. Your employee, your friend can be the witness. Some detail you have to be put on here, and you can select your authorized signatory place, and you save and sign with the DSC or sign with the EVC. You can able to find. Okay, so friend, I am here explained you the LOT, letter of undertaking, right? So letter of undertaking you have to be applied for each and every year. Each and every financial year required for the furnishing of the fresh LOT. So friend, if you like my video, or if my video is helpful for you, so please do subscribe my channel to get update related to all these things. Thank you so much.